We made it to the top. I'm exhausted. Over 900 meters in elevation. I've never climbed a mountain this tall before. I think it's 1:30 a.m. So this is not a sunset, it's a sunrise. This summer, Vegard and I are searching for beautiful campsites and hiking areas in Norway. Earlier today we hiked Hesten and got such a spectacular view on top. It is sunny and we're making the most of the day, so we're hiking another mountain. It is already 10 p.m, but who cares what time it is when the sun is up all night? Elise found a hike to a mountaintop and we're hoping to see the midnight sun from there. Here is parking and here is where the trail starts. You can search for Barden Trailhead in Google Maps to find the location. New hike, this time to maybe see the midnight sun during the hike. It is 11 p.m. The sun is still up, we cannot see it, but hopefully we will soon. The sun is somewhere behind those mountains. Starts out a little swampy. I'm loving my waterproof shoes right now. Should I cross here? Do I dare? Oh no, you sink it! It's okay, I'm fine. Just follow the blue marks. Follow the wrong blue marks. We have to go more to the right. This direction. Even though there are blue marks, it was a bit challenging to keep following the trail. Path is a little hard to find, but as long as we walk in the direction this mountain right here, you should be fine. There's the trail. I'm in good shape today. I'm actually ahead of the others. Not tired yet. Okay, this was one of the scariest parts of the hike. It goes pretty much straight down here. There's the summit. Down there are the cars. As I'm editing the video now, I just remember how long and tough this hike was. The summit is still so far away. Just a little hill up there that's left. It looks so far away, so far up still. We are almost there. Actually, I was wrong. The top is there, not there. The sun is waiting for us right behind there. Oh, nästan. Yeah, I have never been on a hike this tough before. So at this point, my body felt empty. At the steepest parts, I was crawling on my hands and legs. Remember, we had already been on a hike earlier today, but my motivation was strong. I'm going to see that sun. There it is. We're still going to the top. I was considering staying behind, but I had made it this far. I'm going to the top. Still this left. Oh look, there are flowers here. Almost there, and Vegard has something he wants to tell you guys.
I now pronounce you the midnight sun.
so much worth it. Midnight sun. We made it to the top.
We sure did.
What people do to see some sun at the middle of the night. Little advice, this is not for the faint-hearted. It's okay to turn around if you can't do it. Because this was tough. That's where we part. Look at that rainbow! Do you know why it is almost straight up and not like a bow? I think it's because the sun is hanging low. Yeah. Look at that mountain. Okay, it's late. We're tired. We're walking down again. And when we're tired, we're starting to make jokes.
Er det elefanter her oppe?
Vet du hva snø er, Elise? That was it. We came back to the car at 3:48 in the night, and I'm going to sleep. The next day, it is raining. It is windy, it is raining a little bit. We're still gonna have
Waffles!
waffles. It's important to spend the time that you have in northern Norway well, no matter what the weather is like. Okay, well, that is just not true. We thought of staying, but it's a storm out here. And the bad weather is going to last in northern Norway, according to the weather forecast. Northern Norway is super beautiful when it's sunny, but when it's raining, it's not a lot of fun. In southern Norway, it's sunny right now and 30 degrees, so we're driving south again. Are you surprised, Moose? Thank you for following our adventure in Norway. Maybe we'll travel abroad again soon.